Okay, let us discuss the kinds of polynomials. First, let us discuss what is a polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression where the exponent of each variable is a whole number. For example, you will notice the exponent of each variable is a whole number. Again, the exponent of each variable must be a whole number to be considered as an algebraic expression is a polynomial. These two are examples of an algebraic expression which are not polynomial. Since if you will notice, the exponent of the variable is -4 and 1/2, which is not a whole number. Now, let us discuss the kinds of polynomial according to the number of terms. Number 1, 4x squared y is a monomial. Number 2 has 3 terms, which is called a binomial. Number 3 has 3 terms, which is called a trinomial. Number 4, 2 terms, binomial. And number 5, a multinomial, which has 4 terms. Now, when can we say if the polynomial is a monomial, binomial, trinomial, or multinomial? Correct. By the number of its terms. It's called a monomial if it has 1 term. Binomial, 2 terms. Trinomial, 3 terms. Multinomial, or polynomial. The polynomial with 4 or more terms. Remember, we can call it as multinomial or polynomial. Also remember that a monomial, binomial, and trinomial are all polynomial. Now, to avoid confusion, let us call a polynomial with 4 or more terms as multinomial. And it's very easy. So let's determine the kinds of polynomial of 3x plus 2y minus 5. Yes, it is a trinomial 1, 2, 3 terms. Now, what about an x? Yes, it's a monomial. Multinomial. Yes, trinomial. Yes, it is a binomial. Now, let us discuss another kinds of polynomial. First, let us determine the degree of a term. 2x is first degree. Negative 5x squared is second degree. 8x cubed is third degree. So to determine the degree of a polynomial, you can just examine the exponent of the variable. So 2x, the exponent of x here is 1, so it is first degree. Exponent of x here is 2, second degree. Exponent of x is 3, so third degree. Now what about polynomial with 2 or more variables? Example, 9x5, second degree. negative 8y squared, third degree, 5x squared y, third degree, negative 5x squared y cubed, what do you think? Third degree. Correct. 50 degrees. Now, how to get the degree of a polynomial with two or more variables? Yes, just add the exponents of the variable. 1 plus 2 is 3, so it's 33. 2 plus 1 is 3, so it's 33. 2 plus 3 is 5, so it is 33. Now let's have x cubed y cubed x cubed y raised to the fifth power. So since 3 plus 5 is 8, so the polynomial is 8. Remember, this is a degree of a polynomial with just one term. What if we combine these three? Or we have 1, 2, 3 terms. So how trinomial. So what do you think is the degree of this trinomial? First degree, second, or third degree? So first degree is the degree of 2x. Degree of negative 5x squared, second degree. Degree of 8x cubed is third degree. So the degree of this polynomial or trinomial is third degree. Now, how to get the degree of a trinomial or a polynomial with more than one term? Yes, get the degree of each term, and the highest degree will be the degree of the polynomial. So in this case, we have polynomial in x, or a polynomial with variable x. So all we have to do is simply to get the exponent of x, the highest exponent of x. That will be the degree of the polynomial. Now, let us have this example. Yes, first, let us get the degree of each term. Degree of 5x squared, y, and negative y squared. So remember, we just refer to the exponent of our variables. So degree of 5x squared is 2. Degree of xy is also 2. Degree of negative y squared is also 2. Therefore, the degree of this trinomial is no other than second degree. Our previous example has different degrees in each term. It has 1, 2, and 3. In this case, we get the highest degree. Now, for our ex, example 5x squared plus x squared minus y squared, all of each term have the same degree. Therefore, there is no other option, second degree. Now, the special name of a polynomial according to the number to its degree If a polynomial has a degree 0, it is constant. Polynomial of degree 1 is called linear. A polynomial of degree 2 is quadratic. Degree 3 is cubic. Fourth degree is quartic. Fifth degree is quintic. The next degrees are just called sixth degree, seventh degree, and so on. Now let us try to answer. The degree of 5x squared plus 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 7x plus 6. Yes, it is third degree, since the highest exponent of the variable x is 3. Now, 3x minus 2y plus 5. What is the degree? If we will examine, variable x has exponent 1, y has exponent 1. So, the degree of 3x is 1, degree of 2y is 1, while the degree of y, which is a constant, is 0. Therefore, the degree of this trinomial is other than 1. First degree. While this binomial has 1, 2, 3, third degree. Remember, there is no separator here, so you have to add the exponents. While on this, a separator minus, so you you should not add the exponent of the variable. Now, degree of x squared plus 6xy and y squared. Yes, yes, second degree. Hope that is clear. Now, again, what do we call a polynomial of the third degree? Yes, yes, cubic. First degree is linear, third degree is cubic, and second degree is quadratic. So remember, to get the degree of a polynomial, all we have to do is to examine the exponents of the variable. And remember that if it has no variable, it is 0 degree, which is called constant. Now it's your turn. Try to answer. Try to get the kinds of polynomial according to the degree, whether it's constant, linear, quadratic, cubic, quartic, quintic, and 6 degree, and so on. Or the kinds according to the number of terms, whether it's monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, and the kinds of polynomial. So whether it is, you will just combine the two kinds. For example, whether it is a quadratic trinomial or linear binomial. Let me pause the video. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see how many correct answer. So I hope that the correct answer. So we have here linear, binomial. We have here quadratic trinomial. We have here symptic monomial, quadratic trinomial, cubic trinomial.